Hey everyone, welcome back, where we break down complex problems into easy-to-understand solutions. Today, we're exploring a fascinating problem in physics, calculating the mechanical work done in pushing a block through a path with varying forces. Let's take a look at the details. The mechanical work done in using a force to push a block through a distance is given by the formula. We have data on the amount of force used to push a block through the given distances over 5 segments of a path. The force varies due to different friction properties of the surface. Our goal is to calculate the work done for each segment and then find the total work done over the entire path. We'll use MATLAB to make these calculations straightforward and quick. Let's get started. First, we'll open MATLAB and enter our data for the forces and distances. Here we've defined our vectors, forces, and distances for the 5 segments of our path. In the first part, we need to calculate the work done for each segment. By using element-wise multiplication, we calculate the work done for each segment. Now, let's move on to calculating the total work done over the entire path. By using the sum function, we add up all the individual work values to find the total work done. The total work done in pushing the block through all 5 segments is 5750 joules. This total is the sum of the work done in each segment along the path. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and enjoyable. If you did, please remember to like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.